How to switch account on Facebook. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily switch account on Facebook. So let's get started. First, open up your Facebook application and make sure you're logged into your account. Now simply select your profile icon right under this messenger icon at the top right section, and once inside here, as you can see, there's a circular icon from which you can automatically switch to that particular account. And if you have more than two accounts in your same Facebook application linked, then you can simply tap on this drop down menu, and as you can see, there are multiple accounts in my section, and in my case that I have created multiple pages as well, so you can basically choose to switch between multiple account as well as multiple pages as well. So you can, for now I will simply choose on this page option just like this, and it's the same process for your account as well, and that is actually how you can easily switch your account on Facebook. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.